Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, Georgia Governor Brian Kemp wants to allow Georgia citizens to carry firearms without a permit. And I'm going to read this article. Georgia Governor unveils push to allow concealed carry without permit. Georgia's governor, battling primary challengers on Wednesday, said he pushed to would allow Georgians to conceal carry firearms without a permit. Governor Brian Kemp announced the effort at a gun store near Atlanta, alongside state lawmakers and gun owners. In the face of rising violent crime across the country, law-abiding citizens should have their constitutional rights protected, not undermined, Kemp, a Republican, said. And while this position has recently become popular for others as we enter the campaign season, my position has remained the same. I believe the United States Constitution grants the citizens of our state the right to carry a firearm without state government approval. Kemp referenced multiple bills, including some already introduced, that would make so-called constitutional carry legal, and said he'd throw his weight behind them and work together with Republican lawmakers and groups like the National Rifle Association to perfect the proposals. Kemp is facing multiple primary challengers, including former Senator David Perdue, as he seeks a second term. Perdue claimed credit for Kemp's constitutional carry push, writing on social media this week that the governor was answering my call. So this was the article of Brian Kemp, the Georgia governor. He wants to allow the Georgia citizens to carry a firearm without a permit. Tell me what you think and leave a comment. What I'm going to do, I'm going to post a link to the article under the video title. I'm going to close it out. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.